Welcome to Mickey and my crowd. This is Hilda, your host. Good morning, lovely. How you doing, everybody? Today we have an unboxing of the cover minders for the giveaway, the official ones, okay? I give you some demo before, and I have a kind of idea on how you liked it, and I wanted to get the ones that I bought were for me, I guess, but these from CovermindersSiobhan. I hope I pronounce it correctly. I'm sorry, okay? She has been sponsoring the event, the big soccer events, and she told me she's going to sponsor next year. That was very sweet of her, okay? So let's support her as a small business, okay? Without further ado, let's open with it. My husband had to open the box because, you know, I have my little problem with my hands, but I haven't checked anything. And everything came out just like that. Take a look at this. Oh my God, very nice. Because I can use this wrap to send it to you guys. So let's see. Let's open this one. But I don't want to break it because what I want to do is use this same wrap for when I get to send it to you. So let's see, because my hands, sorry guys. Take a look at this. This is a Dragonfly. These are big. Oh my God. Take a look at this. This is a big soccer Dragonfly. But take a look at this, how gorgeous it is. Oh my God, this is such a beautiful Siobhan. Oh my goodness. And this is the color of my stone. I'm April, so this is what, like crystals. I mean, this is beautiful. And look, it is very big. And I have one that I use that is this big, and they hold on, okay? They do hold on. Take a look at this beauty, guys. This is so beautiful. I'm gonna give them away, these ones, randomly, okay? Because I'm gonna prepare a package, right? That I don't know whether to show you or not. I think I should leave it for a surprise, guys, so you get so excited. So let's see what we got over here. We got some more over here. Some more big ones that can serve as a big sucker. Okay, we got over here what it seems to be a peacock. I'm trying to leave it in this little bag because I don't wanna, this is how I'm gonna pack it for you, although it's gonna have another layer for security. Oh God, Jesus Christ. I'm gonna have to cut this one over here because I can't with my hand. I'm sorry, but I will pack it real neat. Don't worry about it. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. Oh my goodness. I can't. I just can't. How you feel like buying this store? Take a look at this peacock. Take a look at this peacock. Let me see if I can get you closer and put a little bit more. Take a look at this peacock. That's another big sucker. That one is, you know, the thing is that this one has a tail. But take a look at this. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. So beautiful. Look at that, the detail of the... I'm sorry guys. I'm having a little problem. It's early in the morning for me. I haven't been able to sleep, and I'm drinking a Diet Coke. Take a look at the detail, the eyes of the peacock. This is so beautiful. The feet. This is gorgeous, guys. I'm loving it. Let's see what else we got over here. Oh my goodness. I'm even afraid to open this. Don't worry, I will put them all together and I give you a showcase. Oh my God, guys. You gotta... Look at what is here. A poinsettia. Oh my goodness. Take a look at this one. Oh. Girls, you can even use it as a pendant. Take a look at this. This is a poinsettia, right? Yeah. Look, with the leaf all bent and everything, and it has the crystals on it. Oh my God. Look at this. They're as big as the palm of my hand. This is gorgeous, girls. You gotta thank her, okay? You gotta thank her. These are gorgeous. I chose them, but you know, you gotta thank her. Some of them were chosen by her because I did trust her. Hey, I don't want to break it because I wanna be able to wrap it up on this. She forgot to send me a card, but it's CovermindersSiobhan. Take a look at this unicorn. Lucky you. Look at that magnet. Ah, that is so gorgeous, guys. For those of you who like fantasy stuff, take a look at this unicorn. Look at the detail. Look at the detail of this. This is so gorgeous. That's like a tree. Look at the detail of the face. The unicorn. This is so gorgeous, guys. Look at the tail of the legs, okay? Take a look at that. I'm fascinated. I'm like, let's see what we got over here. I think we have two of the same. Let me see. Let me see if I can open it easily. I think it's two of the same, yeah. So lucky. I bought some of them though. Take a look at this one. It's the same one. It's two of them. Okay. They're beautiful. Let me put it side by side with this one. So now let's take a look at the other package. Oh my goodness. Oh girls. Oh girls. You are being spoiled like spoiled rotten. You're gonna be so happy with this ones. Oh my goodness. Wait until you see this one. Wait until you see this one. Take a look at that blue and green. That is so gorgeous. That is so gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh my God. these are cover-minded for big suckers, okay? Big sucker. This is gonna hold the whole page. As a matter of fact, when I continue with the betrayal, I'm gonna do a whip and chat with my dragon because I have one, and you will see. Well, that one I have release paper. I'm not planning to use release paper. I like the Coverminders better. Take a look at that gorgeousness. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Let me put the dragonfly separately. Okay. What else we got here? We got 3, 6. Let's see this one. Oh, this is a butterfly. Oh yeah, I saw this butterfly and I did like it. Take a look at this, ladies. Take a look at this. These are real cover-minded for big sucker. You don't have to put 3 or 4 on there and start moving it. You just peel up your cover sheet and put it up. Take a look at this. Take a look at this and take a look at the detail. Take a look at the stone and all that bling. Oh, girls, you're gonna go crazy with this. Look, it has the backup wing over here. Very complete, very well done. Oh, Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, Jesus Christ, Jesus Christ. Oh, we got another dragonfly. Let's see this one. My hands don't let me open anything. I'm sorry, but don't worry about it. I'm gonna probably buy me some bubble of this, some of this. Blue, my favorite color. Oh, it has a little something over here. It was a little dirty, but I will clean it up when it's time for. Take a look at this one in blue. Oh, my favorite color. My favorite color. I love these dragonflies. They're beautiful. Beautiful. Like to having 3 or 4 big suckers at the same time and put one of each one of them. Take a look at this blue one. Oh God, and the tails. The tails have the stones. Oh, this is beautiful. We got how many already? We got 3 dragonflies in here. Oh yeah, I did like this one. I hope you guys are liking it, because you never know who's gonna win. Let's see this one. Oh, come on. It won't come out. I'm gonna have to stretch the. It's just that my hands are terrible, guys. I'm sorry. My hands are terrible. My hands are terrible. And if any of you that lives in Europe have an address in the United States, if you win, please, okay, because it's very expensive. Oh my God, one of the stones came off. Okay, but I think I have the stones. Here it is. Oh, sorry about that, but this is a beautiful dragon, and I wonder what color of stone came off. I don't know if I had that size though. Siobhan, if you're looking at this, I don't know if you can tell me the color of the stone of this one. This is a dragon one. This is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. But the stone came off from there, so and I don't see it on the package. And I don't see it. Let me check. Let me check. It's not here. It's not here. So if we can do something about this, Siobhan. This is beautiful. So cool, because I don't think I have the stone of that size. Okay. And I don't even know what the color of the stone is. So, but this is beautiful. Besides that, this is beautiful. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Okay, so I'm gonna move them over here so you guys can see this gorgeousness. Overload. Here are your 3 dragonflies. Okay, here they are. Let me see if I can put them more together. Well, let me get them out of here, out of the bag. I have them on top of the bag. Oh, no, I don't want them. Yeah, so you guys can see it better. Okay. Some of these are a little heavy. Here they are. Here you got, guys. You got the 2 unicorns, a poinsettia or a flower, a butterfly, 3 dragonfly, 1 dragon, and a peacock. I love that peacock. Here they are for you guys. Here they are for you. All nice and neat. We got 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 1 is 9. I don't like dragons though. I would like to have, because this one, I know you guys, some of you like fantasy, so you know, I'm not into fantasy that much. So you got 3 fantasies over here. 3 beautiful dragonflies. And, you know, this is gorgeous, guys. You cannot ask no more. Okay? I cannot, you know. This is beautiful, Siobhan. I mean, I love them, all of them, okay? Thank you so much for your sponsorship. Thank you so much for such a beautiful, wonderful Coverminders, okay? I love them all. They're beautiful. They're nice. They look like luxury, but they're not that expensive. And you guys can Oh, I'm loving these dragonflies. And I'm gonna show you again the dragonfly. This one is in blue. And then this one, beautiful, luxurious, the peacock. Okay, the unicorn, I'm just gonna show you one, but there's two of them. Okay, the flower or the poinsettia, the butterfly, beautiful, a lot of bling, 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 and the gorgeous multicolored dragon. Okay, we're gonna resolve that. Okay, guys, we're gonna resolve that. Okay, somehow. But they are gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh my God, okay? Oh my God. This is beautiful. This is gorgeous, okay? Thank you, Siobhan, for these wonderful pieces. Guys, it's getting close. By the time this video is coming out on Friday, right? 4, 5. 5 is Wednesday, 7, and then we got the 30. And for 31 days, there's 24. I will be 54 days left as of when this video comes out, okay? So keep on pressing, girls. Keep on pressing, okay? This is going to be so interesting, okay? Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get notified of all the videos. Either join the club, the membership, or the channel to support the channel so this stuff can keep on coming. Stuff like that, because you know, when you have a sponsorship, you don't put all the weight into the sponsor. You should contribute. So I did contribute for some of the pieces, and she put some of the pieces on her own. So she was very nice and very generous, okay? So thank her a lot, okay? And I'm gonna put her Etsy shop link in the description box. And oh my God, I just keep on looking at them. And they're so beautiful, so gorgeous, so gorgeous, so gorgeous, so gorgeous. And join the membership, you know, and then if not, in any video that you like, hit the thank button on the heart with the $sign, you know, to give a thank you, you know. So until the next time, don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.